Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet on your PC. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how to do that. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your browser and here type meet.google.com. Go to their Meet website and here you can see a bunch of stuff here. To start the meeting, all you have to do is select new meeting here, and you can see there are three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and schedule in Google Calendar. You can create a meeting for the later and also schedule in the Google Calendar by clicking it, but I'm going to show you how to start an instant meeting. Just click this one. So here my meeting is already started. Here you can see we got a Google meeting link. You can simply copy it and then send it to anyone you like to join the meeting. This is the first option here, and here you can see different types of options. Like right now my microphone is off. If I click it, my microphone will return on and they will ask for the permission. I will give them the permission. And similarly for the video chat, you can also do that by simply click this toggle and your video will start. And here are different bunch of options. You can see share screen. If you want to share your screen, simply click this, and here you can see three types of share screen option. Google Chrome tab, you can share your tab. Right now I only have one tab open, so I can share only one. So if you have YouTube beside this tab, so you can share the tab, and make sure you also click this. Make sure you toggle is on, so that you can share the audio as well. So if you click the window option, you can also select your window, and if you want to share the entire screen, just click the entire screen and click this, and your entire screen will be shared. And another option I would like to see, this is the reaction. You can react to your meeting by sending emojis. You can also turn the caption mode, the CC option. The caption will auto generate. You can also select the raise hand option. This is if you want to ask any question in the meeting. And here is the three dot option, the more option. Here you can see you can adjust the view, full screen, one picture in picture. You can use multiple screen on the Meet, and also background effect. You can change your background and effect. If you are on a video call, you can change the effect of your background. And the other options are here. You can see the people that right now in the meeting. You can see them. You can remove them because you are the host. And here the chat option, this is for the meeting. You can ask anything to the other people via this chat option. And also you can see this log host control option. Because I'm the host, I have a bunch of options that I can make. You can see there are options like send reaction. You can turn that off, turn someone's microphone off, share their screen as well. There are a bunch of options, bunch of customizable option as you are hosted. You can like select this one. I'm going to show you. There are two options, or no one has to ask to join. So this is right now is selected trusted one. If you select this open one, anyone can join if they have the link. But if you select this one trusted, you have to give the permission to join the meeting. So this is the basic of Google Meet. So I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.